Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. This tip was recommended by Indira Jimenez, so hope you all enjoy. If you start off at the Chrome Web Store, you can just Google Chrome Web Store, and you're going to want to type in Annotate Net. When you type in Annotate Net, this is the option that you're going to want. You're going to need to select it, and your option will say Add to Chrome if you don't have it. Once you add to Chrome, you do have to do a few confirmation clicks. I have already added mine to Chrome. I'm going to go up here to my extensions section though, and I'm going to pin it. So I want to turn the pin on, and then you'll see Annotate is right up here. So what I now need to do is I am going to go to a Google Slides presentation. This is specifically for annotating within Google Slides. And I'm going to select Annotate. But I do have to register my account first. So I'm going to click free registration. You can sign up for an educator account or a non-educator. They both allow everything I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to do the educational account, and I'm going to sign up with Google. I'm going to select my district Google. I can select my information here. Y'all can see how old I am. What's it gonna be? Okay. Long Beach and USA and LBUSD. Hopefully that is enough. And I'll be Ms. Ugh, how annoying. Okay, so I'll just do lbschools.net. Okay, so I'm signing up as an instructor. I have successfully signed up. Here I go. Okay, so basically what I have available now is this Annotate program. And so what I'm going to do next is I don't want to do anything on here. I'm gonna hopefully be able to ignore this. What I'm gonna do is now I'm going to be on my slide, and I want to come up here and I want to turn off annotations. So if they're on, excuse me, I'm going to turn on annotations. And what you're going to see here is you're going to see all of these tools available. What you're going to want to do is pick the ones you want. So let's say you want a pen. You can go ahead and write, you can underline, you can highlight. So if you wanted to highlight anything, obviously my sizing is a little bit off, but maybe I want to highlight something here. I can just do a little pointer, so this allows me to kind of like point to things if I need to without making any marks. And you're going to notice that I annotated here and I annotated on my first slide, and you'll notice that these annotations are still there. I'm going to erase that one. And I can do a text box, so I can go ahead if I wanted to type something in here. I can select my text box and put that wherever I want it and type whatever I would like. Once I am done with my annotations, I'm going to click this little save button. And this is really cool because what it's going to do is it's going to save these annotations here. And under my description, I can put whatever I want. So I'll just do test. And what you're going to see now is I can close out of this document, and let me actually go to my Google Drive. So let's close out of here, Gender Justice Book Club. I'm going to my Google Drive. I don't remember if it's in here or if it's in my personal one. It's in my personal account. Sorry. I don't want a screenshot. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Turn off annotations. I'll just move them. Okay. Kind of cool though. I didn't know that you could annotate on other things. Let's try it out. Okay, so in my Google Drive, I want my Gender Justice Book Club. Here we are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reopen my presentation, and you will notice that what happens is I don't have my my annotations that I made saved on there, but all I have to do is go over to this little annotate symbol, or I can do it up here as well, and I just click load previous annotations, and then I can select whichever one I saved. And so now my annotations that I made before, you will see, are still here. So super cool. Let's try really quickly though. I didn't try annotating. Oh my God, you can annotate on anything. That is so cool. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Hopefully that was helpful. Sorry this video went a little long, but I was playing around with it for the first time with you. So enjoy and see y'all next week.